Hello guys, welcome to Tech Britta. In this series, we are going to see how we can resolve HTTP error 503. HTTP error 503 is one of the common error which most of the user faces. So to resolve this error, first of all, go to IIS, then expands the sites node. Now the one thing which you should know is that which application is basically throwing the error. You know that on IIS there are multiple sites which might be hosted, so you should be aware of the sites which is basically throwing the error. Now one possible reason for this error is that the application pool of that website might be stopped. So you should know which is the associated application pool with that website. So to know the associated app pool for a website, right click on your website, then go to manage websites and then select the option advanced settings. From the advanced setting, in journal tab, the first option, it shows the application pool of the website. Close this window, then select the application pools. Now we know that my app is the application pool for my app websites. So you can see here that it is stopped. So to start this, right click on it and then click start. After that, try to browse your website. Now you know that it's coming up fine now and the error is resolved. So thanks for watching this video.